Hey guys, Sarah here, everybody's here. Welcome back to mine and Josie's channel. Oh yes, welcome everyone. Okay, thank you ma'am. Okay, they know you're here, everybody knows you're here. Okay, they still know. Why don't you go have a seat? Here comes little Emily. We got another little dog. Oh my gosh, we got all the dogs. Oh my gosh, you never are in videos. Okay, girls. Okay, stop. Okay, I gotta talk about the other stuff now. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. Josie has a lot to say today. We're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for July 2019. The regular Ipsy bag is $10 a month. You get 5 skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty products catered to your beauty profile. They can be sample size. Sometimes they are full size, but most likely these will be samples in here. And then the Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. You get 5 full size products sort of catered to your beauty profiles. It's more like a BoxyCharm where there's different variations. A lot of people get the same stuff, so it's not as catered to you, in my opinion. This box is like my normal profile. Like this was my regular Ipsy bag that I upgraded to the Glam Bag Plus, and then this one was one I created to have a more adventurous, more crazy, more, you know, different sort of makeup profile. First, we will open up the regular Ipsy bag. Let's just go ahead and see what we got in here. So the bag this month is this. It looks like little palm leaves, sort of trees, sort of leafy. It's like a green and a peach color, right like that. It's like a vinyl sort of feeling bag. Let's just go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. So we have this little card that will have the theme for the month, which is Dive In. You can see that right there. And then it's gonna have on here everything we're getting. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always research that. I put that in the description box down below if you're interested in that. And I also break down the value of the box. So I will do the math, I will research all the sample sizes and all that stuff and put those values down there as well, just to see if it's a good deal or not. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in that. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I'm pulling out is, I can't read this. What is this? Okay, so there's that, right? See if you can read that word right there. I don't know what that says. It's like BRTC? I don't know. So these are, looks like 2 masks. One is a Vitalizer sleeping mask and the other one is a pore tightening sleeping mask. So let's see. So yes, I guess the brand is BRTC Vitalizer sleeping mask and pore tightening sleeping mask set. So, it says apply one mask evenly to cleanse skin, avoiding your eyes and lip area. Leave on while you sleep, rinse off in the morning, and follow with your usual skincare routine. Huh, interesting. So, I don't know if this is cruelty free. I've never heard of this brand. And it's not giving me any information on here indicating that it is, so I will research that. And if they are, I will definitely use them. I like masks, so not mad about that. Okay. So the next thing I am pulling out is from Ciate, London, and they are a cruelty-free brand. This is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. So I don't know if it smells like watermelon, if they're saying it's watermelon because it's got like those little like seeds in there and it's pink. Let's go ahead and open this up. I hope it doesn't explode. Okay, didn't explode, so that's good. It smells like watermelon, which I think is a little bit weird to put on your face. But it's not like super strong. It's not like that artificial. I mean, it is artificial because obviously there's not, well, maybe there is watermelon in here. I don't know. But it just sort of smells sweet. So it's not like a bad sort of artificial smell. It does feel hydrating. It doesn't feel like super sticky. So that's good. It's weird because when it went on, it felt very watery. And now that it's into my skin, it just feels like a normal moisturizing primer. So this watermelon extract infused primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. So yeah, I'm definitely interested to try this. It does seem a little bit like gimmicky in a way, but I'm not mad about it. I'm definitely curious about this. They got my attention. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from Smashbox. This is the Always On Liquid Lipstick, which I do own. I feel like I might own this color. I should go check. So I'm fairly certain these are the same color. They look the same, right? But the one I own doesn't have a color name on it. I don't know where I got it from. I must have got it like in a Sephora sample thing that they send you. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the one I have just because they are almost identical. Smashbox is cruelty free in case you weren't aware. They weren't before. They stopped selling in China, so now they are again. I love the little applicator on these. Sorry, you see the sun, like when I put my hand there. The sun is setting right now, so if I go over here, it's a little bright. And I do have like a picture window like right above me, so that's why like lighting might change a little bit. I wasn't even going to film this unboxing today, but then I went to check the mail because I got this like 2 days ago. I went to check my mail and then I got my Ipsy bag, so I thought I better unbox it. So anyways, back to this. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. So there it is. I guess the sunlight's helping you see the true color. So it's like a pinky mauve sort of color. These are very comfortable on the lips. They transfer. It's not like a matte that's gonna, you know, really dry you out. They feel very nice. So since I already own this one, this will just go to a friend or into a giveaway. Okay, and let's see. The next thing I am pulling out, this is from a brand I've never heard of. This is Making Moves Blusher by Phase Zero. So there's the packaging right there. So blush is one of my favorite things to get. I just love blush. I always say if I could have 3 makeup items, it's foundation, brow pomade, and blush. I just love blush. So let's see what this one looks like. So it's sort of a shimmery blush. Ooh, the lighting. So I'm sure you can see it's pink. I'll go ahead and swatch it. I don't normally love this is like almost a cream sort of feeling. Very buttery. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. You can see it back here. It's, sorry, the lighting. Why did I decide to film right now? Just not a color I would, or not, the color's fine. It's just the shimmer in it I'm not a fan of. I will research that brand though to find out if they're cruelty free. I don't know at this time. I'm gonna duochrome now that I wiped it on my front of my hand. So it's like a pinky orange sort of color. Okay, one more thing I have in here. So this is What's the Tea Eyeshadow Mini. Whoa. So this is from the Balm. So there's the packaging. It's really cute. The color inside though, I don't think I'm ever gonna use this. So I think, I don't know what the color is. I think it's called He Said, She Said. Like a purple, you can see it right there. It's like a lavender sort of color. I'm not gonna swatch this just because purple's not my favorite color. In fact, it's like my least favorite color. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and process it into a giveaway or give it to a friend, but not for me. It's a normal Ipsy bag with a crazy profile. That's everything I got in there. So overall, I think it fits the profile decently. I think the lip color maybe is not adventurous, but I think the eyeshadow definitely is. The other stuff is just pretty basic. The blush though is definitely adventurous too. Let's go ahead and get into the Glam Bag Plus. Again, we have the same theme, dive in. This will have everything we're getting as well as the values of them. So the first thing I am gonna pull out is from Benefit Causemetics, which is not cruelty free. This is the Gogotint Bright Cherry Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. This is a little ghetto. They like just crossed out the barcode there with a black marker so that you couldn't like return it, I guess. I don't know. That's, I mean, I get why they did it, but maybe they could have done something that didn't look quite as ghetto. Okay. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's actually very, very cute. I do enjoy the packaging. I don't want to open it up though, just because I don't want to use it. I will give it away or toss it into a giveaway. So while I do enjoy lip stains, I don't think I'm a fan of a cheek stain, personally. You can see what it looks like in there. Here's the little book. So it almost looks like a nail polish in a way. Even if this was cruelty free, it's just not something really up my alley, but it is valued at $30, so maybe this will be in a giveaway coming up soon. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out of here is, this is from Goldfaden MD. This is Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. It does say it's cruelty free on here, so that's exciting. So it looks like it's just like an eye serum sort of thing. It is organic, mineral oil free, alcohol free, silicone free, gluten free, vegetarian, dermatologist tested, good for all skin types. It's, soy peptide, rice bran extract, and arnica, which I don't really know what any of that is. So here's what it is. It's just like a tiny little bottle. There's one thing I kind of hate about packaging like this is when you can't see how much is left in here. Like, I'm not a fan of that. Like, make it clear or something. I don't know. I just don't like knowing. Like what if I run out of this and then you don't know? All of a sudden you're just out of it. So that's something I noticed with the eye serum I'm currently using, which is the Murad one. I just don't like when it's a container that you're like, I don't know how much I have left in here. But this is valued at $55, so kind of expensive. But it does say to only use one eye drop under each eye. So it probably will last you quite a long time. I find that most eye serums do last quite a bit of time because you're using so little of them. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is from Thrive Causemetics, and Cause, but like C-A-U-S-E, which I sort of like their play on that. I'm fairly, this is cruelty free. Yes, it is. Vegan, also sulfate and paraben free. So this is a liquid lash extensions mascara. It's length and volume. Go ahead and see what this is. Ooh, the packaging is hefty. It's like made of metal. I like that. Definitely nice. Now I have a light on my face from this side. We're just gonna have to deal with this. I have to get this video filmed, and what it is I actually, so what it was is I had this little like prism thing in my window, so now I took it down, so now I don't have that ball on my face. Context on what you're saying, Sarah. Okay, so this is liquid lash extensions. Let's go ahead and see what the wand looks like. I do like they use metal packaging. I think that's nice. Okay, so this must be like coming in because every mascara I'm getting is like this sort of wand. So this is what I prefer. It's like the it's like a silicone wand. These little things on it. I do like this kind of wand. I find it's good for my particular eye mascara concerned, which is it gets onto my lash line up top and like, I don't know how to explain it, but I like these things. I find that I have more precise control over them, so I'm definitely excited about this. This is in the color Brynn, which is also known as Rich Black, which I've never seen a mascara color named anything other than like black, brown, like that kind of thing, so that's sort of interesting. Definitely excited to try this out. Love the packaging. I think it's really nice. Valued at $24, so it's a little bit more expensive. I guess we'll find out if it's worth it, but definitely excited to have it. Okay, so the next thing I am really excited about. So this is the Pixi by Petra Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. So this is like a nourishing mist, it says. So it says all over face mist for a glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion. So it says before makeup, hydrates and protects and nourishes. After makeup, sets and adds a dewy finish and protects. And anytime refreshes makeup, hydrates, and adds glow. So cool. You can see in there, I think you can see right there at the top, it's got like sort of oil separating. So let's go ahead and shake it up and see if it changes anything. So yeah, it mixes it up. I really like Pixi's skincare stuff. I use their glow tonic, whatever. I really like that. So excited to try the glow mist. Let's see what this is valued at. $15. So I don't think that's bad price for basically a setting / prep spray. All right, so we have one more thing. Oh, I should mention Pixi is cruelty free. So we have one more thing. So this is the Huda Beauty. I always want to say Huda Booty. Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. And mine is in the Bronze Sands edition. So let's see. The last time I got, what did I get that was the wrong, I thought it was from this box. I got something, I think it was an Alamar Cosmetics blush thing that I've except for fair light, and I'm more light medium. But let's see. So here's the packaging. It looks really nice. Really like that. Huda is cruelty free. Oh, cool. It comes with this little, like, that's kind of neat. Oh, so I definitely think this will do for me. Sorry, with the names on here, I thought it might smell. So this is Barbados right here on the top. Then we have Maldives. Then we have Aruba right here, and then Bora Bora. So I will go ahead and swatch these real quick. Okay, so this first one is a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So there's that. So you can see it's like a gold color. So I guess this is like a, to like make your foundation more radiant, I guess. It's like a gold color right there. Next is Set. So let's see, Maldives is Set. So there's that top one. You can see it's a little less intense. Then we have Sculpt, which is Aruba. I'll do that right down here at the bottom. It's not, oh, so this might work for me. I thought this Aruba color might be too dark, but I think it'll be okay. So there's that bottom color. I know they all sort of look the same right now, but you can see it's a little more brown. And then Bora Bora is for like your blush. So you can see Bora Bora right there at the top, right here, that line. So you can see it's all very glowy, which I guess is really good for like summer. I'm glad I got this in the summer. I don't know if this is something I would ever went and purchased myself, but I definitely want to play around with it. I don't normally wear like shimmer all over my face, but I definitely want to try this out. So yeah, not mad about that. Let's see what that's valued at. So that's valued at $45. So overall, I like this box. The only thing I didn't like was this. I thought it was sort of weird, this Benefit lip and cheek stain. Just something I would never use, but this is the first, I want to say the first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I'm really excited about, and I'm going to use 4 out of the 5 items, so that's exciting. I also really enjoyed the regular Glam Bag. I thought it was good. Also going to use everything out of there. Minus that, well, it was good for the profile, let me say that, because the purple eyeshadow I personally would never use, but it's good for the profile I set up. The blush I would never use either, but it's good for the profile. And I hope that those masks are cruelty free so I can use those, but overall I thought it was a good bag. I know I'm just rambling at this point. Sorry about the lighting in this video, sorry about, I don't know. I'm having a day, y'all. You want to see something cute? There's my dog you never see. You doing okay, Harley? Harley Quinn? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Oh, here she comes. Anyways, thanks for sticking around. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, more, you know, creeping on my dogs when they're just trying to chill, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.